Yo, what's poppin' YouTube? Binary Bot Real account here. Sorry for the delay in the update, guys. Was supposed to get an update to you way earlier. Right now it is November the 20th, so this is the video or the update for yesterday, the 19th. It's now 1 a.m. a little bit past the hour there. So let's go ahead and check out our MT5 and just to see what it's looking like. So right now, right after that, as we get into our account, we can see that it's reflecting a total profit of $40 for the day, but we're more interested in seeing a custom period. So we're going to go ahead and select the period in which we want to look at, and right now I'm really interested in seeing the account growth from the 18th to the 19th. All right, so that would be day 1 and day 2 there, just to get the accumulation for those 2 days. So let's go ahead and check out what the robot had made in that 48-hour period. All right, so boom, there you have it, guys. Right now you're seeing a total of 321. I believe in our previous video we were boasting an amount of over $200, so we made somewhere there about over nearly $120 profit between that video till now. This would be part 2 video of day 2, and later on today, probably around 7 there around my time, I will be dropping a day 3 video for today, the current day that we're in. All right, but so far so good. Or expert advisor or robot for synthetic indices is running pretty well. I'm seeing consistent profits as usual, and as always, you want to make sure what the losses are like when you're scrolling through these history page. You want to make sure that you're checking the losses that your account is taking. So we can see that it's still taking small losses, and as it takes small losses, it recovers with bigger gains. And we can see this by just the streaks of blue right here, where we can see that the risk was mitigated for the loss that we see here. So these losses, these were all recovered within these streaks of blue. So I don't want to go in too detail explaining this. I just want to show you how it works at a glance and just how consistent this is. All right, so powerful robot, guys. Powerful robot here at Binary Bot Real account. A lot of persons have been reaching out to us in regards to this robot, and they are just mind blown away by the results that are being portrayed on their account. So if you do want a copy of this, go ahead and reach out to us as usual. More than happy to just get you started with this, get your account set up running on demo so that you can actually see the same results here right on your account. All right, but until then, I want you guys just to stay tuned. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button on this video to be notified as soon as we release a new update and a profitable robot. You don't want to miss out on this, guys. All right, leave your comments down below. Any questions you have, just leave those comments down below. I'll be more than happy just to get back to you. Okay, but yeah, guys, that's basically it. Don't want to make this video too long, so until next time, stay safe. I'm out.